Tired of the back-and-forth tango of scheduling appointments? Let's supercharge your Google Calendar bookings with the magic of Zapier or Make. First things first, we need to decide your automation tool. Both Zapier and Make offer fantastic solutions for this tutorial. We'll hop into Zapier, but the principles are identical for Make. Head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Our goal is to automatically add an appointment to your Google Calendar whenever someone books one. Your trigger is the event that kicks off the automation in this case. It's when a new appointment is booked. So, select your appointment booking service as the trigger app. This could be Calendly, Acuity Scheduling, or even a Google form if you're self-hosting. Next, we'll tell Zapier what to do with that information. This is our action. We'll choose Google Calendar as our action app. From the action events, select Create Detailed Event. This gives us the most control. Now's the crucial part, mapping the data. You'll see fields from your booking app, drag and drop them into the corresponding fields for your Google Calendar event, the summary or title of the appointment, the start and end times, and any relevant details. Once you've mapped everything, hit Test Trigger to ensure the connection is working. Then, test the action. You should see a new event pop up in your Google Calendar for the test booking. Perfect. And just like that, you've automated your Google Appointment Schedule, saving precious time and delighting your clients with seamless bookings. Happy scheduling!